What are you doing hopping out of the front seat like that for?
Because...
Come on.
At first glance, this looks like a routine traffic stop. But within seconds, officers realize something isn't adding up. The man they're questioning was allegedly seen driving a white Toyota 4Runner moments earlier, before suddenly climbing into the back seat. Now, as officers begin asking simple questions, the story starts changing. The driver admits his license is suspended, then reveals the SUV doesn't even belong to him. What started as a normal conversation quickly turns into an investigation involving unauthorized use of a customer's vehicle and possible impaired driving. Watch closely, because the officers' questions slowly uncover what really happened before this stop.
Are you driving, and then you hopping back here? Where's your license?
77. I don't have one.
Okay. Is it suspended?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, my man, you mind turning off the car for me?
Can you please give me a break?
All right. Well, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it, man. You ran that stop sign and almost hit me.
I'm sorry.
All right. No, I know you're sorry. Okay. You got an ID on you, my man? Yeah. I'll have to get it to you here in a second. What you guys up to tonight? Just cruising around?
Cruising around. We're about to go back to my shop to drop off this car that has a transmission problem.
This car has a transmission problem?
Yeah.
It looks like a brand new car, man.
Body shop.
Okay. What happened to it?
It got totaled out. Almost.
Oh, it got totaled?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Do me a favor, my man, so I can talk to both of you at the same time. Hop back up in the driver's seat where you were.
Okay.
All right.
As the questioning continues, the driver struggles to explain why he switched seats after the vehicle stopped. Officers continue pressing for answers, trying to determine who was actually operating the SUV moments earlier. The man then tells police he works at a local body shop, and that the Toyota belongs to a customer. But that explanation only creates more problems.
Unit 178.934, copy 28.
Okay. Yeah. No, I get what y'all are saying, but you got a bad license, man.
White Toyota
I'm sorry.
SUV
I'm sorry.
No, I know you're sorry.
Out of Miami.
I know you're sorry. No, I got you, man. Like I said, I ain't here to make your life worse or anything like that, but could you imagine if I hadn't stopped and you hadn't have seen me and you'd have T-boned the shit out of me, man, as fast as you were going?
I'm sorry.
So you probably would have put me in the hospital.
I'm sorry.
Well, I know you're sorry. I'd be sorry too. So, hang tight for me, boys, alright? Ran a stop sign almost fucking hit me.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you got a bad license, but I'm gonna run.
With the driver already admitting his license is suspended, officers now focus on whether he even had permission to use the vehicle. The conversation becomes increasingly tense as investigators attempt to verify his story. At this point, what began as a suspicious traffic encounter is turning into a potentially serious criminal situation, and officers suspect there may be even more going on behind the scenes.
I know that lady's on a lot of Xanax, and she's got Xanax all throughout that car.
Okay. Driver was like, there's probably Xanax all over the car because I know the lady who owns it, she takes Xanax. I'm like, yeah. We'll see. Yeah. We'll see. Do you know who dropped the car off? Like to get worked on, or how it ended up at the shop?
It's a body shop. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Do you, because you said she.
Yeah.
Do you know her name?
But I don't know her name. Just a dude dropped it off.
Okay. Why are you guys out driving it right now? Because I know y'all shop ain't open.
Well, the thing is, my dad wants me to test it.
I understand that.
Make sure the transmission, we did transmission fluid in it today.
Okay.
And we wanted to make sure it was going to show.
It was good.
Properly.
Okay, that's fine. Is there a reason why you guys are taking it out to the store to get alcohol? Because, I mean, I see the little alcohol bottles in there in the black plastic bag. So, I don't think the owner would be too pleased that you guys are out taking it around town.
No, I wouldn't normally do that, but yeah, I did tonight.
Yeah, okay. The bottle that's on the driver's side with your name on it, with the THC gel capsules.
Yeah.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Contact.
Here's the thing, man. I know you told me earlier that there's probably Xanax in there. Okay, obviously you knew there was Xanax in there.
I didn't know there was Xanax in there.
Clearly,
Lady, I had a big conversation with the dude from the body shop, and he told me there's Xanax scattered all throughout the car.
Feel free to send someone over there, see if they can locate the registered owner.
So here's where I'm at, man. I see. Why did you dump all your gel capsules out?
Dump them out.
Yeah.
They were dumped out to begin with.
Why did you dump them out in someone else's car? Because it's your prescription, right?
Yeah.
It's got your name on it. You have a medical marijuana license. Okay?
Yeah, obviously they were popped open and they fell out.
How did they all fall out in the door?
I was just driving it, and those caps. Check the caps; they're really easy to open.
You actually have to squeeze the bottle for it to pop. Because I tried to open it.
I don't know.
Okay. Well, all the Xanax is mixed up with your gel capsules, man. There's not Xanax scattered about the car. So.
So you're trying to put the Xanax?
I'm not trying to put it on you. I'm just trying to figure this all out because you're driving a car that's not yours.
Yeah.
Okay. You have a suspended license. Okay. We've already crossed that bridge. Okay. You have a bottle of THC gel capsules that's spilled out in someone's car. It looks like you dumped it out. Okay. And then there's Xanax mixed up with the gel capsules.
The Xanax were already there.
Where?
Where the gel capsules were.
In the door frame?
Yes.
I thought you said you didn't know if there was Xanax in there.
Well, I noticed them on the way up to the liquor store.
How'd you notice them?
Because they're sitting right next to me, and I accidentally spilled my gel caps, and then I noticed that there was Xanax.
How did you accidentally spill your gel caps?
I was opening them up in order to take two.
Okay.
And then I was a little bit just not thinking. I'm half asleep. I've been working since 6 this morning.
Okay.
And I laid them down, and obviously they poured in with the Xanax.
Where'd you lay them down at?
I laid them down right where the Xanax were.
In the door frame?
Yep.
Of someone else's car. So if I get a hold of the owners and I talk to them, they're going to tell me they have a prescription for Xanax.
I have no idea.
Okay.
Are you going to try to charge me for the Xanax?
I'm not trying to charge you with anything. I'm trying to figure out.
Really not mine.
Okay. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with the vehicle right now, man. Hey, this is Officer Leach, Pensacola Police Department.
Hi.
Hey, what's that?
You know where my car is?
Yeah, I'm with your car right now.
Okay.
It's fine. It's not damaged or anything like that. It's just someone from the shop was driving it around. So they almost got in a wreck because they almost hit me. But there's a very specific question I need to ask you. Are you the only one that drives this vehicle when you have it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a prescription for Xanax?
No.
No, you do not have a prescription for Xanax.
No, I do not.
Okay. Thank you. That's what I needed to ask. So I appreciate it. All right. Here's where we're at, man. So I called your dad, and he says you're not supposed to have this car. You're not supposed to be driving it. Okay? So you took the car from the shop without permission. Okay?
We're 50-50 owners, so...
What's that?
We're 50-50 owners.
You're 50-50 owners.
Yes.
Okay.
So he doesn't have that say-so.
Okay, he doesn't? Okay. Well, I'll talk to him when he gets here about that. Okay. I talked to the owner of the vehicle who swore and affirmed that he does not have a prescription for Xanax.
But
there's
Xanax.
Xanax.
Been to 3 different body shops.
Your dad said it's been in your shop for 3 days.
I know, but
Okay.
it's been in 3 other body shops before then. The Xanax is not mine.
That's not yours. Well,
I'm straight as a board. You
Okay,
can
so
tell I'm not on the Xanax.
Okay, so the Xanax wasn't in a baggie that was ripped in half and on the floorboard dumped into the door frame, right? It wasn't?
Not to my knowledge.
Not to your knowledge. You didn't do it when you saw me getting out of my
No,
car?
sir.
No?
73 turning.
Okay.
It was exactly the way it was. I had no idea it was even there.
Okay. But you actually did know it was there because you told me that you saw it there when you dumped your THC pills in there.
Well, that's the moment I saw it.
That's the moment you saw
I
it.
realized they're gonna try to charge me with this because that's usually how y'all do.
Okay.
Try to charge everything you can.
That's what you thought when you first saw that in there, that you would get charged with that if you ever got caught?
Yeah.
Why would you think that?
Because there's Xanax bars and they're not mine and they're in a customer's car.
Who's not prescribed Xanax?
I didn't.
I mean, you see how that looks?
Do you see?
You actually did. You did say you knew that because you said you talked to the owner about Xanax. That's what you told me.
I didn't say that.
You did. You actually said it, and I mean, if I was able to, I would show you on my body cam where you actually told me that you had a conversation with the owner about Xanax, and that's how you thought there would be Xanax in the car before you saw the Xanax.
Good.
I knew they were prescribed it at one time.
How do you know that?
Because they told me.
Who's the registered owner?
You tell the
I have
plane to
no
go
idea.
inside, we'll handle it.
Was it a female?
Female.
Okay, well the registered owner is a male, so there's a lie. Okay, you lied about
It was
you
her,
lied about having.
It was her. His wife.
Okay, well this guy's not married, so
Well, his girlfriend.
okay, all right. So we're just gonna keep changing up our stories then.
No, I'm not. I'm not lying to you. They're not my Xanax.
Okay.
Please don't charge me for
Watch
Xanax.
out!
Please.
I don't want to hit you. I don't want to hit you with the door.
Please.
Hey partner, please don't kick the car, alright?
You kick my door again, we're gonna have problems. You understand me? I mean, I'll be straight up with you. I'll be straight with you on what I'm charging him with.
Sure.
So he's getting the habitual traffic offender charged with his felony. He's
Yeah.
getting felony possession of narcotics
Yeah.
for the Xanax. He's gonna get a ticket for running a stop sign, and he's gonna get charged with grand theft because he's not supposed to have this car. So,
Grand theft.
grand theft auto. So, it's technically, he took it from a shop where it's not his car. He doesn't have permission to have the car. He doesn't have permission to take it from the shop. And he's out joyriding at, 10 o'clock at night with someone else's car. So, yep. So, his bond's not going to be very low. I'm just going to let you know that now.
Yeah, I know it. Yeah.
So,
It's just crazy. And for somebody to ruin their life over something like that.
yeah, I
Over
mean,
a pill and a Xanax at that. I'm thinking, my God. I mean, what I mean, good grief. Are you
Shit.
serious?
it makes people
Just
feel
don't
good,
even,
man.
It don't even make sense to
Yeah.
me.
Oh, it makes people feel good, and they,
I know,
get
I know.
hooked on
Yeah.
it. And,
Oh, yeah. And I guess they just keep on going with it till they found it out.
yeah. So, but all right, Terry. Well, I'm gonna let you get out of here.
Yeah, you can safe
So,
out there.
thank you, man. You too. If you need anything or you got any questions, feel free to give us a call, man.
I will.
Okay. Listen, Jason. When we get to the station, hey, listen to me. When we get to the station, I'm taking you out of the car, and the cuffs are going back behind your back. Because I can see they're in front of you now. If you slip them and you put them back in front of you again,
Police ultimately determined that the driver was operating a customer's vehicle without permission while driving on a suspended license. Investigators also discovered controlled substances inside the vehicle, adding even more serious charges to the case. By the end of the incident, the suspect was facing multiple criminal charges, including felony driving with a suspended license as a habitual offender, grand theft of a motor vehicle, and possession of a controlled substance. He was also charged with obstruction without violence. The total bond in the case was set at $16,000. What could have ended in a devastating collision instead ended in handcuffs. This incident serves as another reminder of how reckless decisions behind the wheel can spiral into life-changing consequences in a matter of minutes.